My name's Loretta. Welcome to Home Fix. It's a big day today. It's a big day for a big old tree. This is a 7.5-foot tree that I am decorating today from front to back, start to finish. So you guys get to watch me do that today. It's a brand new tree for me, actually. So I upgraded from the 6.5-foot last year to now this 7.5-foot beauty. I'm so excited to get going on it. You guys are going to get tons of ideas. It's going to be action-packed. We're going to take it from a beautiful tree to a dramatic, amazing, over-the-top tree. So make sure you stay tuned. I did a full video on this particular tree, from unboxing it, a big old box, putting it together and making it fluffy and beautiful, just like this. So if you want to check that out, you'll be able to check it out later in the week, and you can get your tree just as fluffy. First things first, let's take you in on the tree so you can take a good look at it. Let's get a good assessment of this tree, you guys. I love this beautiful tree. The base is really wide. This is the widest base tree I've ever had, and the tallest. So at 7.5 foot, it's a pretty nice height. So once the topper gets on there, it's pretty much gonna touch the ceiling. So time to decorate. So let me show you what I'm doing right here. These are clusters that I've put together that are going in the tree. This is gonna allow for me to be able to put the ornaments in faster and move quicker through the tree. I've got about 10 of these already done. I'm probably gonna do a few more, but I wanna show you guys how to do it. So I've got a pipe cleaner here. I picked these up from Dollar Tree. White because of all this white flocking in this tree here, as you can see. But you know, whatever color coordinates with what you got going on. You wanna take the pipe cleaner through just a little bit, and that is outside of it, and you just twist it. See that? Twist it. Then you take your next bulb, whatever bulb you want, different texture, different color, hook it up, mix it up, sizes, all of that. See how I'm doing that? You can stop at 3, you can stop at 2, you can stop at, I'm gonna stop at 4. And once I get to the 4th one, I'm gonna show you, I'm going to take and just twist it around. Be careful so you don't pop the tops off of them. If you do, just put them back on. But just kind of a couple twists. That's it. I'll be able to secure it now to the branch. So I'll show you a couple more. What you want to do is get you some floral wire. This is, just get any gauge, but this one says gauge 26. So I cut off a nice piece this length. Y'all look at my hands, all this frost. Oh my gosh. I don't know, 12 inches, 10, 12 inches, something like that. Taking a couple of these ribbon, contrasting colors. I've already got one going on over there. So what I'm going to do is start off with this one. I think I want to have a longer tail, something like that. I don't know. And so make a little rabbit's ear, pinch it, Okay, yeah. And then make sure your, the color, the good side is showing. So if you need to twist it, go ahead and twist it. So I'm twisting the back of it, pinching it together, make sure that the ears are even, like that. So, and I'm gonna take my wire and, man, you gotta have some dexterity doing this. Take a little piece, see how there's a little bit left on the end? I don't know if you can see it right there. And I'm gonna twist it around to just tighten that so that the middle does not come open. This acts as your finger, basically. So you've got one bow there. And now we're gonna make another one right on top of it. Same thing, right on top. And we'll use that same wire to secure it. So this one is the same on both sides, so I love that because that makes it easy on me. And a little bit shorter. Right there in the middle. Make sure your wire's out of the way. Twist that down. For you ladies who make bows all the time, God bless you, because this is God's work. Seriously, yikes. Okay, so there's the wire, and I'm just gonna twist it up here, y'all. And I'm gonna have my little bow that I'm going to secure, and I'll show you what I do with that. So we got that. We got the tail hanging there. It's hard to see. There it is. And I'm gonna cut this right here to match the length. Just a rough cut, because I'm gonna go back in again. And I'm going to see where I ended this here. Let me take you in closer. So where I ended this particular spot, I'm going to place it, okay? And I have my wire here, and I'm just going to wrap the wire around the branch to secure it in place, like that. And then I'm gonna fluff it, and then I'm gonna dovetail the ends, because it makes it look nicer that way, to me, anyway. Where's my other ear? There we go. See that? Sweet little bow. And I'm just gonna even these up, and I'm gonna cut these on the ends. Make sure you get wired ribbon, y'all, so you can manipulate these and have them looking gorgeous. I gotta flip this side. See that? And now you have your gorgeous bow. Oh, if y'all can see the mess down here. Woo! You're not doing nothing if it's not messy. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, comment, and like if you like what you are seeing so far. Put it deep in there. That was too close to the front. If you put it deeper in there, it makes it look like the ribbon is growing out of the tree, which is what you want. So when you are running low, so look how much I have left. I only have this much of the burgundy and a little bit more of the blue, but not too much. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use this. So I'm gonna do one loop like that. Then I'm going to secure it with the floral wire, say that 10 times, and secure it to the tree. Watch me do that. Okay, so you've got your So let me share something special with y'all. I picked up this ribbon roll, I guess you want to call it. It's really thick and it's really stiff. You see this? I got this from the wedding section at Hobby Lobby, and I thought this would be such a special touch to add to the tree for that extra special glam feel. So I'm going to put just touches of it. I'm not going to do too much in there because I don't want to be doing too much with this, but I'm going to add a couple pieces. See that? And then just hide the ends, tuck up inside the branch so you don't see it. Something like that. Ooh, see that, y'all? Now that we have gotten the tree all adorned with the ribbons and swirls, now we're going in with the ornaments. And we're gonna go with the clusters first, and then we'll do the specialty ones with the angels and the more elongated shapes. So let's place these. Woohoo! Time for the specialty ornaments. All right, we're going in with the Big Mac Daddy Gold Glam stems, y'all. I picked these up from At Home at the end of the season last year. I don't want too much of it sticking out, just a little bit. And you gotta play with these, pull these apart. And if you hate it, take it out. You know, trial and error here. Trial and error. Make sure you hit that like button. I'm getting excited, y'all, because I'm on the last part before the topper goes on. I'm now gonna decide where I wanna put the flowers, if I wanna put the flowers in here at all, if I want them in the tops, I don't know. So let's figure this out. I'm removing all the greenery off of them because I don't like that, it's clashing. So it'll be clean like this. And then I may clip it a little bit, I don't know. Let's see what we got. Y'all, I don't think I like that. I was thinking of maybe like encircling it with flowers. Let me show y'all what I'm thinking. Like encircling the topper with flowers. Take the green off. I don't like that. It's too pageantry looking to me. No. So that's a no. So I'm going to do my original thought and stick them in the tree. Just a few of them. Yeah, that's better. Look at that, y'all. Look at that wine color. It's so pretty. Oh, okay. So let's go in with the other ones. Wow. That is so pretty, y'all. And this is filling in those holes just beautifully. Okay, it's the moment we've all been waiting for. Time to pick the topper. Get ready to make your choice. Let me know down in the comment section. When I come back in the next clip, I will have made my choice. Here it is. Here is the tree with the star. Lit up, looking gorgeous, shining bright. This is choice number one. Y'all let me know down in the comment section which one should win this fight. The star 4. And here's choice number 2, y'all. The beautiful, beautiful angel. I look forward to seeing your comments in regards to which tree topper you chose for today's top spot as the topper for the Christmas tree 2021. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you have not already. For those of you who have recently joined, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Make sure you hit that like button and turn on your notification bell so you can see the next videos unfolding here, which will be the tour video showcasing the tree topper that I chose. It will also include the other trees in the room, okay? I wanted to have 5 trees in the room, but I ended up with, you'll have to wait and see in the tour. And if you enjoy this tree, make sure you check out that unboxing video of me putting the tree together and fluffing it out, okay? Everything in this year's look is big, grand. I love it all. I love it all. Can't wait for you guys to see everything put together. In the meantime, I'll catch you on the next video of Home Fix. Bye, y'all.